DJ, are you ready? Get ready, everyone. Show me what you got.
Intelligent Negro, here with the ego. Rap to tap the wax and tell him it's me so step back, cause I'm hitting this dope track. The lyrics are whack and you ain't saying jack. Thinking that forces try and take over, but positive will now explode like a clover. Stop the ball rush, cause I'm here to stop the bus of right and do what's right. Play yourself out young at a young age, the girlies I'm talking about, you know which way. You're craving at the age of 15, your life's a dream and you'll be headed for guillotine. Stop your negative thoughts and just think. You want a real man, one that understand. Not one who gets staged and breaks out. Giving you the count to just scream and shout about this. Something you try to handle. You play the fire, got burnt with the candle. Set your mouth straight and how to live. You know the way, positive reaction.
Yes.
Educate the youth now in the right way, cause I'm Malcolm and I wrote it this way. Understand that the key in life is to stay positive without getting into strife. Let me say it like this. Come on, the negative tip, you'll get this. But find yourself out there like the joker. So
好，下来，我们先搬出我们3对3。好，我们有没有结果？有没有结果？好，2位评委在进行紧张的讨论。
你用这个来录，然后我用这个拍照。
我们已经有结果了，所以好，下来呢，我们来颁发一下我们的3对3的亚军。3、2、1。